Hello. Welcome back, everyone, for an afternoon session. I hope everything is going smooth for everyone. We are looking at Ethereum on a 4-hour time frame. I hope my audio, my video, everything is running smoothly because we are back at 100% after all the repairs that need to be necessary. As you can see, we are already retested into our higher EMAs and we are rejecting on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we have this other minor fib here. I'm going to actually remove this because now we don't need this anymore. So we have this one minor fib here, and we have another fib over here. This resistance didn't play out, actually, so I will remove that. All right, so right now what we are looking at is we broke down out of this descending pink channel, and that was also the golden pocket resistance from the top to the bottom of the move on the 4-hour. And as we are looking right now, we are looking if we are going to get the next bounce over at 976, 960, which is also where the middle of the channel of this entire 4-hour descending channel is. So if we get a bounce here, that makes sense because we have our fib retracement, the middle of the channel, and other factors. We have like 3-4 different factors for a pop back up. And then we have to look for a resistance probably at 1041. And then that's also where the channel of this breakdown was. Getting back into the channel and claiming the 21, we can look for higher. Until we claim the 21, we're probably going to be retesting the bottoms until we get situated. These lines, I did not get to adjust them, so we're going to do it live. Here's our weekly. And this thick is our weekly. So the weekly level, moving it to here. Yowza. And then our daily level is up here now. Right about here. So we're looking for like around 920 for a bounce. If we lose our fib pocket, and 920 is going to be basically in the middle of these two naked point of control. Losing here and going under this level of here at 890 with the 4-hour open and close, we're going to be looking for much lower. We have another target right here, a 1-to-1 extension of this range right over here at 655. And that's also the bottom of this channel that we are obviously going to be testing the bottom of because we rejected off the midline of this channel, this descending orange channel. So keep all that in mind. This is our daily on Ethereum. Let's go to the 4-hour. Here's the 4-hour. We were mapping out those levels. So here's the 4-hour point of resistance right now, which is at 992. If we can hold above it, okay, we could look for a higher, probably around 1095, which is like basically around the last low of the day yesterday. And if we test into there and reject, then we can probably sweep down and collect that liquidity down. As of right now, on the higher time frames, we're already on the bottom half of the channel. On the 4-hour, we're actually retesting the midline. So this is the area that I was looking for my long on the 4-hour anyway, before I looked for a higher. And if this fails, then these are the stop losses that I have for a 50%, 90% stop loss, and then the rest I'll just, let it run if we can get reloaded lower. I am looking for longs. On a weekly, on Ethereum, we did put in our dead cat bounce. So we're bearishly engulfed, right? So this now is no longer any hope of being bottom. Right now, we're retesting the previous low around 885. I don't know if that's going to be bottom yet or not, but we're looking at that. This level all the way down here is our monthly. Let me just verify that. Yes, this is our monthly, and our monthly is still going to the downside. So our monthly is about here now, about 333. So we're looking for that level. If our weekly and daily fail, because those are right on top of each other, then we're going to just look for the quick liquidity grab to the bottom before another upside. All right, and that is Ethereum for you guys. Let me even go even closer. So this is what we're looking at on the hourly. Okay, so we put in enough of a descent on high volume. Can we get some buy up and then stop out all these people who are shorting all day today? Let's break above this 21 EMA on an hourly and then see if we could get to 1061. These thin lines, these horizontal lines, is the fib of the previous consolidation. So keep that in mind for Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin real fast. Go to the weekly on Bitcoin because I did not set these levels, so we can do it live. So here is my weekly on Bitcoin. Wow. So we're looking for us to stay above 18,500. We don't want to go over that. Go to the monthly real quick. Monthly has moved drastically to the downside. And I think this is because I have not touched this chart in a while. But we're adjusting accordingly. So right there, that's monthly. That's weekly. Now let's go to daily. There's daily all over here. I don't even think I have a line for that. So that's our daily. And now that's a little bit high. There you go. There is our daily. Okay, so now these levels are very important. If we test into this level over here and break it to the downside, then this is Bitcoin. I was always looking for this level around here, around 12,500. So if we can't hold here, we're going to break down, and this is playing out our TA. So it's been a while since we've looked back at these charts, guys, but look, we had a move up into the 21 and a rejection. We wanted continuation. We never even got the continuation. We actually just got rejection. We asked for one quick bounce here, and we're looking for the break. So this level here is where we were trying to see if it was going to be accumulated. If not, we're looking for the bottom of the channel on the weekly channel on Bitcoin, as well as the fib target, which is 12,500. If you look left, if you look to the left, that's where we broke down. Go to the weekly. That's where we broke down last time this area was tested. So going under 17,900 with 4-hour opening closes is already a danger to the downside. And then what we are trying to do is avoid losing these levels like this one right here, this EMA, which is at 17,500. Going under there, then we're looking at much lower targets, okay? So this is the point I'm trying to make. Here's our daily. So here's our daily level. If we're under here, there's no way we're looking for upside. We're down. So now if you want to scoop longs on these fibs, that's okay, because you know that daily is the first take profit. If you go to a 4-hour, we are rejecting off all our EMAs, but when we do this, when we reject off all our EMAs, we find bounces. Right now, there's no volume. So I don't know what the situation is, but it looks like we're going to test into this daily and weekly before we decide if we want to test back into 19.5. So this is what we're looking at, guys, on Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out and let me know. If there are any other assets you want to consider, let me know. I will do the TA on it and share the chart. Best case, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you guys get these real-time updates. I hope all of our issues with the videos of this week now are resolved with our audio issues, our rendering issues, skipping, etc. I hope we're back to normal. And if there's anything else that we can do to improve, guys, please feel free to share it in the videos, and I will definitely make those changes moving forward. I'm here to accommodate your guys' needs. Unless you guys are getting the content that you guys want, I'm not going to be able to grow. So please do let me know if there's anything that needs to be changed, and we can make those changes accordingly now together. And then as we grow together, everyone else will be able to enjoy them. This bearish block right here, let me just put this up real quick. sorry guys, as we were chatting, I see something. I just wanna point it out. So if we do come down here, I want to see if we can test into this channel. And if we test into this channel, it'll make sense to me. Then you can draw a fib channel if you want, or a pivot pitchfork. So I'm going to leave that there for now. I'm curious to see if we get our first bounce here. So this kind of coincides with my theory from like a couple days ago before we even started the descent. I wanted to see if we were going to break down here, lose this level after our retest, and then come into our weekly and daily. And then if we can hold here, that makes sense. But if we lose here after a bounce, then we're going to be testing probably into the mid channel of this. And there is a naked point of control here as well at 16,000. So these are all possible things, guys. These are all possible things. Going to the upside, we hit our point of controls over here on these weekly opens, on these 4 hours. We rejected off of them. Then we even lost our daily open. We didn't even test into the previous high, and we just continued down today. So let's see what happens. This test to the high can come in now before daily close, so we can get our sharp stopper. But yeah, this is the situation, guys. Be safe. Tomorrow in the morning, new video. After our daily close, I'll get some more data and we can calculate a path of where prices projected to go towards. All right. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. Be safe.